If you have a new pair of shoes, whether it's sneakers or in this case canvas topsiders, it's a real good idea to seal them to provide some protection from staining. I've used Scotchgard fabric sealer for decades on ties, on shoes, on clothes. It works great. This is an unsponsored. I paid for this myself, but I just want to show you how to do this. There's a couple key steps that you want to take. First of all, I've got these plastic bags and I'm putting it inside the shoe because there's no reason to spray the inside of the shoe, and if you do, actually it can kind of mess with you a little bit. I always put on safety glasses because you are acting with a spray. You want a day where it's not raining, that's why I'm under here, and a low wind day. So shake it up. Sometimes people get concerned about whether or not the spray is going to stain the shoe. I've tried it on pretty much any kind of material you can think of except for leather, and I've never had a problem with it staining. Sometimes it makes it a little darker, but that's about it. And you just kind of get about 6 inches along. If you're worried about the spray on your hands, you can certainly wear gloves. And you could also wear a mask. But I'm spraying away from myself. Small, even strokes. Now you can see this one is a little bit darker, and that's going to dry up pretty quick. Even if you think that these shoes have been coated or sprayed, you still want to do it to make sure. Trying to clean canvas shoes or sneakers is a lot harder than doing the prevention at the beginning. It's been about 5-10 minutes and the shoes are already dry. It's better to do 2 or 3 light coatings than to try to solid wet it down. And I am going to use a mask and gloves this time just to show you that it's important to stay safe. And I put brown paper down. This is actually the paper from the box where the shoes came in. And again, just light strokes, overlapping, making sure you cover the shoes. The other reason why I'm putting the mask on is the breeze is picking up a little bit. Doing the laces is good. You can do that too. Obviously you don't have to do the bottom. These containers are really good with a fine mist, but sometimes you just want to shake them up. Make sure you don't get any big globs. This area right here is got a high tendency to get dirty, so make sure you really spray that well. There you go. Finished. And you're going to be glad you did this. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in home repairs and how to take care of your stuff, designs of all kinds, evaluation and design of sports and photography equipment. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.